Aloha and Xin Chao everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step what type of transportation we use when we were in Osaka, Japan. From home all the way to our final destination at the hotel. Okay, we just boarded the Japan airline. Next stop in Japan. Japan airline, yeah, that's right, JAL. Just under 9.5 hours from Hawaii, we are making our descent right now. This is the first look at land. It's a little bit cloudy, but that was the first look in Japan. And here we are. We're going to Osaka. We just arrived to Kansai. We're in rail right now. The rail, we're gonna get this rail so we can go get our bags. All right, we just got through customs and all of that stuff. It wasn't all that bad. You just gotta follow the line. But we are at Kansai Airport, and we're gonna go ahead and exchange money. There's a currency exchange over there. We just came out from there. This is your look at Kansai International Airport here in Osaka. We made it to Osaka.
Osaka again. One way.
All right, so to get to our hotel, we decided to take the limousine bus. So as soon as you get your baggage, you come out. What we did was we did some currency exchange, so we got some money to use. But right outside on curbside, you'll find, I guess, automated places where you can actually get your bus tickets. So let's go. It's not that bad. It's supposed to be really cold, but it feels just right.
ありがとうございます。大阪駅前新阪急ホテル経由ハービス大阪行きです。現在阪神高速1カ所大阪高線で渋滞の方が発生しております。ほぼ定刻到着予定しておりますが、
So from the bus stop, that limousine bus stop to Osaka station, you gotta cross the street to get a taxi to get to your final destination. Well, besides being cold, it's gloomy and it's raining. Okay, this is where we're staying at. This is the Aloft. Pretty nice modern hotel, pretty new. I think it's only a couple years new, or maybe a little bit more than a couple years, but still nice. Just got here. The weather, I would say it's probably like 50 degrees, although it is raining, so it feels a little bit colder. Let's go check it out. it's raining outside. I just got inside. Looks modern, looks nice. We're at Dale Loft. 619. All right, nice. Okay, let's go check out this place. Modern, good looking. All right, standing shower, pretty nice. All right, waterfall. Okay, and then downstairs they have a restaurant that serves burgers. Right on. It's called The Warehouse. Okay. Oh, there's more stuff here. All right. A table and chair. Big bed over here. Nice modern looking place. Good to go.
What did I do to the room key?
That out. Let's go.
ドアが閉まります。
Door closing.
So they got a laundry room. Also got an exercise room, which is open 24 hours. This is where we exercise so we can keep eating. All right, they got some water here too. Oh, here. Scale to see how much you weigh. So this is the first meal we had. I mean, we're having. The rice is really good. Soft, fluffy. Chicken's really good. Karaage chicken. Miso soup, really good too.
Yeah, it's good. Yes, it is fun.
It's just a hole in the wall, but the karaage chicken, oh, so good. Crispy on the outside, really tender and soft on the inside. Okay, this place is called Oshoku, Japanese cuisine. It's a little small place, but man, that's gotta be the best karaage chicken I've ever had. I mean, it was so tasty, flavorful, and they're really, really nice. Very, very helpful, even though you don't know anything. So unique though. You gotta go inside, and to order, you gotta press. It's a machine, and you pay and everything, and then you just pick it up. You get a ticket, and as soon as your order comes up, you pick it up. But man, it was delicioso. A small place, right in the corner. I don't know what this street is called. Dojima 1. We're at the intersection of Dojima 1, and right there is the transit right there. You just go downstairs, and that's the transit. We're a couple hotels over. Okay, so the next thing we're trying is this little place over here. It looks like a one-man army. She's just doing everything herself. This is Japanese traditional rice cake, and they got drinks as well too, and it looks like it's all handmade. It looks delicious. That's her. Okay, that's it. Let's go try it out. Alright, so this is the place right here. This is probably the best karaage chicken. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Karaage chicken that I ever had. The outside was so crispy, but yet it wasn't oily. The inside was just so juicy and moist. And I think I've eaten a lot of karaage chickens in my lifetime. That's probably the best right here. This location. I don't. There's no name. Oh, actually, it's right behind there. But they're really nice as well too. Very, very nice. Well worth visiting.